Hey everybody, how's it going? We're back for another round of programming today. So I thought I would, for today's stream, I'm gonna make a dragon unit. So I've got some cool ideas for what he'll do, and I already actually downloaded a free asset. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna add it to the game, and give it some moves, and I'll try to implement a new special move where you can dive from the highest altitude, because I think that'll be cool. And then I want to have him have two different attacks, like a melee attack and a ranged attack, because the idea is, right, if you get into melee combat with a dragon, it's not going to work out well for you. Alright, well let's, I've made some progress, off stream. You might say, oh man, there's like textures. There's terrain. It's pretty cool, isn't it? So, yeah, so, you can actually kind of see the terrain area. I think it really adds a lot. Makes it feel a little more alive, at least. But yeah, it doesn't look quite as good on WebGL. And my guess is, like, let me start it up. I think I published a new version there. Yeah, I did. Okay, so over on Chrome, Yeah, here's Chrome. So if you notice, the lighting doesn't look nearly as good. And in fact, the objects don't even render unless you're kind of close to them. I'm not sure what drives that and why it's different. But there's also the shadows. I mean, the shadows didn't even render at all on WebGL, so that's kind of weird. But yeah, just looking at it back to back, it kind of just looks like lighting's not working as well, which is a little weird. Like, I mean, this mountain looks a lot better in Unity, doesn't it? I don't know if maybe there's a setting on those rocks. Like, let me take a look at the rocks. So the rocks is just this asteroid field container. I wonder if it had a field about rendering. I don't see anything there. Yeah, I don't know. Kind of weird, huh? Oh, maybe it has something to do with this LOD stuff. The level of detail. Yeah, I don't know. This is also just kind of a plugin. Oh, here we go. There's this camera thing. Alright, well, I don't want to actually mess with that, so... Did I mess with it? That apparently doesn't undo. Hold on, let's see if it actually changed anything. Yeah, I don't think that actually changed anything. But, you never know. Sneaky Unity, changing your stuff. Well, it looks like it renders still fine in Unity. But yeah, I was having some problem with shadows, and so I kind of gave up on shadows for now. But anyways, we're here to add a dragon. So for the dragon, first things we need to do is add a new ship type. So yeah, I'm going to show you how. Hopefully this is super easy to do now. So we're going to go over to, I guess we got to go over here. Where's my enum with the ships? It's in game controller. I should probably pick that out somewhere. Alright, we should probably call it more than just plain dragon, because I might add more types of dragons. And I don't know. I mean, I guess we can just call it dragon. Let's take a look at what he's gonna look like maybe first. Well, hold on. Alright, so let's go ahead and see what we need to add. So it looks like I really only referenced the ship type in here when I'm creating one. Just to get one. And then where's this? The details panel. Well, I don't know what I'm gonna have to put there yet, so yeah. Alright, so we'll go ahead and just copy our previous ship. stick it on there. And yeah, so now it's this one at the bottom. We're gonna call it Dragon something, right? And the type is Dragon. But yeah, man, I really need to come up with an idea for what it should be called. See, I'm good at actually making things work. I'm not good at at designing content. That's my weakness. Let's see. So he's gonna shoot fireballs, and he'll have a dive move and a melee attack. Yeah, I don't know. For now, he's just Dragon. For his title, man, I really feel like I should put something else there, but I don't know. Anyways, as for what kind of moves he can do, I'm thinking basically he'll be really slow. Maybe straight, he can go up to 3 straight, maybe. Which is pretty slow. Then there's for banks, maybe just 1 and 2 banks. And for turns, maybe 1 and 2 turns as well. Maybe I can make one of his turns easy. I don't know. Maybe we won't do that for now. He definitely won't have a K turn. And loop probably doesn't really make sense either. But he's gonna have a new maneuver, which we haven't made yet. So let's go ahead and define that as well. Oh, he's gonna have side slips. So let's throw those on. So side slip left at speed 1. And it'll just be a normal. Just flying around sideways is normal for a dragon, right? Yeah, we're gonna give him a new move as well. Oh, hold on, oh yeah, it's not supposed to have a thing at the end. Let's go ahead and define the new move as dive. But, we'll get around to adding that later. I guess I can go ahead and add it here. And maybe it'll be a hard move. Alright, so, as for his climb maneuvers, probably just pretty similar actually. Yeah, for now let's just copy and paste. For climb and for descent. For descending, maybe he'll be able to go a little bit faster. Maybe not though. I don't know. We can add in 3 banks, I guess, for descending. I don't know how he's gonna get stressed when he's high up, but maybe we can go ahead and do that for him. And we'll keep just the 1 side slips. Maybe you can go 4 when you're descending straight. Alright, for his actions, definitely no evade. Probably no barrel roll either, honestly. I don't think it really makes sense for a dragon to barrel roll. So, none of that. Maybe you can have boost. Should he have boost or not? I'm not sure if he should have boost or not. What other actions do we even have? Yeah, evade doesn't make sense. Target locks, no good. Yeah, maybe we'll have to add some more actions for him later. For now we'll give him boost just to, have something. But it'll be hard. It'll be hard to do a boost. Alright, as for his weapon, we'll call it Fire Breath. We'll just reuse this fireball icon. Should he have maybe a little bit wider arc or not? I mean, we can make it just a tiny bit wider, maybe. I mean, it could be like a little bit bigger, maybe. I don't know. Maybe we'll try 100. But I was thinking, as for his shots per round, he should probably shoot pretty slow. But maybe he'll have a decent chance to hit. Maybe even like 70%. I don't know. We'll have to see. We can always change this stuff later. And probably no abilities for now. He should have a decent chunk of health. Maybe like 15. Give him a lot of health since he's slow. Alright, I do want to add in his second weapon, but we'll save that for a little bit. Just to make sure we get things working. Let's see, should we go ahead and add in dive? Maybe we'll just look up everywhere we've got a loop. Let's see. Oh, it's not searching my code. Right, that's the button. Alright, here we go. So basically just in chip controller. Alright, so if you pick a dive, that's where we'll implement that. Then this is the rotation. Which, it's just gonna be the same as straight actually. Which, is probably nothing actually. Yeah, I can probably actually just leave dive out. Alright, let me just remove that. Alright, here we go. Can perform. This one's a little tricky. Alright, so, you can only perform the dive when you're at the very highest, altitude. So if you're not at the highest, then it's gonna do that. Oh, I should probably look up K-turn, because that's what we're closer to doing. Since it is a move that changes your altitude. Alright, yeah, get final altitude. So if, yeah, here we go. If it's a K-turn, if it's a talon roll, else if it's a dive. Then we're gonna be old -2. Alright, let's see. So this is in final position, which we do need to do that still. I'm just leaving that for later. No rotation, so that's fine. Hi, how's it going? I'll show my game off in a second. Let me just finish writing this part. Alright, that should be good. Alright, let's switch over to Unity. Alright, so it's compiling those scripts, and let's give it a go as soon as that's done. You can't see the progress bar, but it's there. Alright, so we won't actually have a dragon yet, but that's fine. I'll just give you a quick demo of what we're doing. So this is my game. You control a set of ships, and basically each turn you pick a maneuver for your ship, which will make it go in different places, right? And you pick an action, and it'll, once you've assigned all your ships, you hit go, and then they go. So it's kind of like a turn-based strategy game, right? And when they're close enough, they will start shooting each other. So we'll get some action in this round, see? So they're shooting away, right? And so yeah, it's about maneuvering and that kind of thing. Lots of neat moves you can do. If you want to give it a try, I can just drop the link for you. Feel free to give it a try. You can play against the AI for now if you want, and see how it goes. Alright, so we're trying to add a dragon. So let's go ahead and add a few things. Alright, so for these ships, first we need to design the ship. So that's gonna be my prefabs in ships. So I did a little reworking of things, so now there's like a base ship, and then the yeah, let me just show you. So on the base ship, now there's a field for Model Prefab, and there's like a container object, which is where the ghost and the actual model go. So then basically in the variant that I've created, I can set the materials as appropriate and set the model prefab, which is kind of cool. Yeah, it's WebGL. It's not officially supported, but it kind of works, as you can see. Alright, oh, what did I do? I didn't want to do that. Alright, so why did I get a null reference? Oh, something about the terrain. Alright, I don't think I broke anything. Let's double check. Alright, yeah, we didn't break anything. Alright, so let's go ahead and add a new ship. So to do that, I'm just gonna do, oh, you can't see my right-click menu, but we're doing, create prefab variant. And we're gonna call this, dragon character. Unity is telling me to hold on. I think the editor is running some code or something. Okay, here we go. So, oops, I didn't want to do that. Alright, so my dragon, we're gonna set his ship type to dragon. And then, we're gonna want to give it a new model prefab. So for the model, I was thinking, I downloaded this dragons pack, the 4 evil dragons, and maybe we can take a look and see which one we like. Man, I don't know why Unity must be running a lot of code right now. Because it's kind of taking it a while to do stuff. Alright, so I was thinking about using maybe this dragon. He looks pretty cool, right? He looks pretty cool, right? Man, it keeps wanting to reload the scripts. I'm not really sure why. Alright, so yeah, I'm thinking about using this guy. Let's see what he looks like out on the board. Maybe we'll zoom into him. So, pretty cool. And maybe we can move him up a little. So it's probably gonna look a little dumb with him flying, but yeah, there's a red one and a green one, gray and albino. Maybe we'll use red and green for our 2 colors. Alright, but what I might be able to do is just add the mesh. Yeah, so the mesh is with no texture. And then let me see, what's the difference? Oh, the prefab has this other stuff too, though. Oh, it's because it's rigged up to animate. Yeah, let's actually just use the prefab and we can just change the material color. So let's do that. So what we're gonna do, go ahead and delete that for now. So, let's load up our dragon ship. Alright, here's our dragon character. And what we're gonna do is go find the dragon. And we'll just grab the red one for now, I guess. And then, click up here. And then drag it over to Model Prefab. So that should be actually enough. No, I didn't model these. I just downloaded them from the Unity store. I don't have those kind of skills. Alright, and then we'll drop in the two different textures we want to use, red and green maybe. Alright, that actually should be all I need to actually spawn one. But let's actually go ahead and make some spawn for us. And to do that, I just need to change the starting ships. We'll just pick dragon here. And let's actually just spawn one for now, just for testing purposes. Alright, so I should be able to hit go and see what we see. Oh, it didn't spawn it. Oh, I know why it didn't spawn it. So I've got this ship spawner object. I do have to add the ship here. And let me drag in the prefab. Alright, now we should be good. Oh no. Oh, there's no render, but we're trying to access it. So I think this is probably referring to my, man, Unity is being super slow today. Oh, it's because it's just throwing tons of exceptions. We can stop it. Alright, we stopped it. Or we paused it. Can you just stop? Please? Alright. Oh no, I started again. No, stop. Alright. Where is this at? I assume it's in my, set material thing. Yeah. Alright, yeah, I know what's wrong. So, for the dragon, let me just check out his structure here. So we're gonna have to actually get dragon mesh and then get the thing to set the material. So that's gonna be in my model color, maybe. Oh, I need to add a model color to it. That's what I need to do. Yeah. I added this thing to make it easier to do things, but I forgot about it. Because I haven't been adding any ships. But yeah, so I should be able to add a model color component. And maybe I can drag this out, you can see it. You can kind of see it. So basically I just added this this list of colored parts, and that's what it'll try to assign the the thing to. Oh, maybe I don't want it on that. Actually, yeah, we don't want it. We don't want it on this. We want it on, like for my broom mage, it's on the actual model itself. So what I might want to do. Oh, let me know if you want to play. I can play against you on stream. But try against the AI first, maybe, and see if it makes sense. Alright, what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna copy... We're gonna copy these two guys. Oh, maybe we can't... So I'm thinking I'll copy the ones I'm gonna use for sure into here maybe. And then we'll rename them. We'll just leave it red and green for now, maybe. Oh, here we go. Terrorbringer. Red. Oh, I only need one actually, so I'll delete green. Alright, so on this guy, we're gonna add the model color, and then the dragon mesh. Drag that over. Alright, that should do it. And then on my ship, I probably just need to reset the model. Alright, I think that'll do it. Alright, hopefully we don't crash this time. Oh, there's no mesh renderer on it. I guess it doesn't have a mesh renderer. What does it have? Oh, it has a skin to mesh renderer. Alright, well we can update that code. So here, we'll try getting the mesh renderer first, because that's what my, wait, why is it like that? Oh, it's just because of, Alright, so if you can get a mesh renderer, go ahead and do that. But we can also try a skin renderer. Alright, that should do it. Let's get out of prefab mode here as soon as we finish compiling scripts. Come on. Alright, so we should be able to do it now. Alright, voila, we've got a dragon. Let's take a look at him. Oh, he's got an idle animation that plays. We'll probably want to change that. Let's go take a look at the green one. Oh, he's playing some like attack animation. I wonder... I haven't done anything with Unity animations, so it's gonna be a learning experience. Alright, well he's got his different moves. All the different turns and the side slips. And focus. Oh, the AI is gonna have no idea what to do, is it? Oh, it's gonna go straight at least. Oh, it has a flight animation. That's the one we want to use for sure. That's definitely the one we want to use. Because he'll look pretty cool when he's flying. Alright, and shooting works, right? They should only shoot very rarely. And it's still the laser bolt, but that's fine. We'll worry about that later. Oh, we didn't. Oh, we need to add a column for dive. That's why the dive's not showing up. But, oh yeah, how does boost work, I wonder? Yeah, how's that gonna look? Pretty funny, I guess. But, it seems pretty cool. Alright, so, yeah, let's see. Yeah, how's it going? Have you managed to play any yet? Let me know if you have any questions or anything. Alright, so we got the renderer working, but yeah, we need to add, oh, cool. Yeah, let me know if you want to play me, and I will, log on. Alright, what am I doing? Oh, I want to add the, we've got to add our new column for the planning grid. Can I just move the canvas without it causing any issues? Oh, you can't move it. The interface reminds you of construct a roller coaster. Wait, like the game interface? Or are you just talking about Unity? Cause like the game, I haven't played Roller Coaster Tycoon, but my game interface, huh? It actually has like little. I guess if you're like, again, I haven't played it, but I guess if you're like laying down the next track, you could pick different moves or something. Alright, so I want to edit the canvas. But it's kind of obnoxious that the mountains are in the way there. Can I like ignore them somehow? Huh. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, we definitely don't want to change any of that stuff. Oh, if we zoom in. That's so weird. Anyways, let's go to the planning grid. Man, how do I could just turn it off for now. Turn off the mountains. There we go. I just gotta remember to turn it back on later. Alright, so planning grid. Let's see, in the maneuver grid, which is a prefab, so we want to go into prefab mode anyways. Alright, so in the maneuver grid, we want to add a new column. We'll just copy the sides of the break column. Rename it to dive. And then we've got to set up a few different things. First we need an image, which I didn't think that far ahead. But we do want an image. I don't know if I have any appropriate images. Probably not. Probably not. Maybe we could use this one for now. Though I I don't know if that's gonna look right. Probably not, actually. Let me see what it looks like. Oh, why is it sideways? Because it's rotated. Alright, well, we'll just use this for now as a placeholder. Oh, I guess we could rotate it so it goes forward. Whatever, we don't need to do that. Alright, anyways, so there's the image. And then we'll go ahead and grab all these settings and change it to dive. And we'll change the tooltip while we're here. Dive. Descend from highest to lowest altitude. That's good for now. Alright, then I do need to add, in my icon textures thing, let's add a thing for this here. Dive. Oh, the AI trounced you. Oh no. You gotta step up your game. Alright, we added that. Oh no, I hit play without respawning the terrain. There it is. Was anything confusing about it? Were you able to figure out how to play? Alright, so dive shows up now, but you can't pick it because it is not selectable. That looked really funny. Alright, so now dive is selectable. Alright, cool. Well, if you have any suggestions on the UI or anything you found hard to understand, just let me know. Alright, so we're gonna try diving now. And again, let me know if you want to play me. But I'm not gonna force you to play me. Yeah, so we gotta implement the dive. You don't know how to attempt to win this time. Alright, maybe I'll show you how it's done. I'll show you how it's done. Locking's pretty good. Hold on, let me, I'm just gonna play in the editor. How does the AI work? That's a good question. I can show you my, my AI class. So, the AI, I don't know why I have a hard time saying AI. Alright, the AI class, basically, roughly how it works is it, picks out the closest enemy target, and, then it, basically decides what to do based on, what quadrant it's in. So, if it's in your front, if the enemy's right in front of it, then it'll, I have a different move if you're close, a different move if you're mid-range, and a different range move if you're far. And basically for each thing, it also considers the enemy heading. I just ended up using like 1, 2, 3 up to 9 as like the numpad directions. So basically, depending on where you are, your heading, and how far away you are, it decides it wants to do certain moves, and it ranks them. So like if it's right in front of you and it's really close, and you're going towards it, then it wants to do a K-turn if it has that move, but depending on its altitude or its ship, it might not be able to do that. So instead, it adds on like maybe left turns or left banks. And so yeah, so then basically just for every quadrant, I've got like if it's in your front right, if it's in your right side, for eight different directions basically. And so it's a bit. No, it doesn't look at your move at all. I mean, it looks at your heading, right? But it's only your current heading. It's not like what move you put in. But yeah, you can see I only pass in the list of ships, and I only look at their basically the position and their direction. So you don't have to worry about it reading your plays, because that would be pretty annoying, wouldn't it? If it just looked at where you went and then moved. That's cheating. But yeah, maybe I'll see if I can win. You know, I've actually lost to it too. So don't feel too bad. Alright, I'm gonna play on my in the editor just because it looks a little better. Yeah, I mean, it definitely could do that kind of stuff, but I just wanted something really quick and easy, because I didn't want to, so it's only one ship. Hold on, let me make it 3 ships real quick. Yeah, I just wanted something really quick and dirty, just to have something to test against, really. I didn't want to spend a ton of time making AI. It is an interesting problem, though. Alright, so here's our layout. We've got our 3 enemy ships. What I might do, let's see. Maybe we'll try to go for the guy on the left first. So we'll come over here. He'll go there and focus. And then this guy, he'll bank. We could actually try to take out their broom mage first. So we're gonna be in range now. So let's do a 2 bank here and focus. And we'll focus on shooting that guy. Here we'll do a big 3 turn. That'll put us like right in front of him shooting, hopefully. We'll go fast here as well. Alright, let's see how it goes. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, we got some good damage on him. So what I might want to do now is, this guy, let's zoom over this way. I could go 4, maybe I'll just go 3 though. Here we're going to turn and shoot this guy, and here we're going to also turn. Actually, no, I should chase this guy probably. So we'll do a turn like that. Alright, we got some good shots in. It would be convenient if you could hover your mouse over the status effects. Oh, I think you're mainly talking about stress. Yeah, I'm having a little bit of a dilemma on how to work with this, because I don't want it to block selecting things, but maybe I do. And I would say it felt like I could only have it block or not. I could either block things and have a tooltip, or I could not block things and not have a tooltip. But there aren't really any others. Oh, I guess the target locks as well. It would probably be helpful, wouldn't it? Alright, let's do a turnaround there. Here we're gonna do a sharp hard turn, maybe even barrel roll to set us up for some good shots. We could evade, but I don't think we need to. What does this guy want to do? Let's actually also turn around, maybe. I don't quite like where he's gonna be. Oh, a help button. Yeah, that's a good idea. That's a pretty good idea. I could probably have a help button up here. Let me make a note of that. Let's see, help button, near top menu with, glossary of symbols or a legend. Alright, made that note. Actually, this guy, let's just focus on shooting this guy right in front of us, actually. Alright, here we go. Oh, he did a fast move, though, and got away. Oh, man, we really got pounded. Let's try to survive there. Here. Try to get this guy. And then my broom mage. Let's, do a quick move. Maybe we can catch his guy and kill him. Oh, man. Didn't quite get too many shots on him. Let's see. I don't wanna just sit in front of his ship. So let's just do a move there. Here we can if we descend and turn, maybe we'll get him. Maybe a 2-bank and a focus. And this guy, let's just one straight and focus. Maybe no. Let's descend. We're gonna go for him. All right, we got him. Alright, so I finished off his broom dude. But, let's see, this guy is gonna be a problem. Maybe we can get away by doing that. Here, let's ascend. Oh no, I don't want to clip that rock, though. Alright, we'll go there. And then this guy, maybe we'll turn around. Alright, that's not bad. Oh, we got a shot in to finish him. The little pot shot finished him off. Alright, here, let's actually try barrel rolling. Maybe we can get behind him. Here, let's just do a hard turn there. Maybe we can, just focus. And here, oh, I kind of want to avoid this rock. Yeah, let's barrel roll out of the way. Alright, we should be able to finish him off. If I go straight, I'll get a shot in. Here, maybe we'll 2-bank and focus. And here, we'll just go 2 straight and focus. Whoa! Spun around to my top view there. Alright, finished him off. All 3 of my ships live, too. Though the 2 ships have 1 and 2 health each, so just barely. So yeah, the AI does put up a decent fight, I think. Alright, let's go back to spawning my dragon. Alright, so we'll spawn a dragon, and then we do need to implement the dive move. So, let's take a look at what we did for K-turn. So for K-turn, let's just copy this for now. Alright, so the distance you move, I think, going with your speed, ship size plus speed is probably fine. And yeah, he's going to move forward, but his Y position is going to be your current altitude minus 2. Alright, and then for the control points, we don't need anything super complicated here. So let's just delete most of this. And we can actually just have it be like halfway between halfway between the start and end position. Doing some modular arithmetic when spinning to keep the internal math numbers smaller would keep the camera from spinning so much. Oh yeah, I didn't realize it would do that actually. Yeah, let me. Did it spin more than once? I mean, I would assume it's because the I basically just need to yeah, use modulus. Yeah, I gotcha. I didn't even realize this was a bug actually. Yeah, that's pretty funny. We should be able to fix that real quick in our camera controller. Let's see. Probably in the oh, let me think. I might oh yeah, this target angle around Y. This is how I'm controlling the angle. I wonder if I just want to modulus this thing when I assign it. But like, I don't want you to... I don't want you to have it be weird when you cross the boundary of like I don't really know how to describe it. What I might just do here actually is do it as a separate step after applying the moving. So, cause like I could do like mod here, like 360, but I think it's actually, oh, in the get mouse step. But the thing is, let me think. So I think what's weird about this is let me actually print it out. You know, I'll show you what I'm thinking. So what I think is going to happen here is as it goes around, it might swap to be negative or something. Hold on. So in my console, so it goes around. Oh, but it does just keep going. I see. So let's just try Oh, what is it, what's it called in Float? So the reason I don't think that's gonna work is because, of my interpolation. But no, it's called something different in Float, isn't it? I thought it, what is it called? Let me just use Mr. Internet real quick. Oh, it's called mathf.repeat. That's what it is. .repeat. Alright, so we're gonna try this, but I think it's gonna be a little weird because of how I'm doing interpolation. But I do have a different idea on how to fix it. Alright, so let's as we go up past 360, yeah, that's what happens. Yeah, so that's what I thought was gonna happen. And it's because of how I'm interpolating. So what we're gonna do instead is when we go for the camera angle, I mean I could turn off interpolation for rotation, but it won't be as smooth then, and I think it probably won't feel as good, right? Because well, let's try it out. So we'll put that back in, and then here we're just gonna set it, instead of interpolating, we're just gonna set it. Alright, so here we go. Yeah, that's exactly what my other solution was going to be. Alright, yeah, so it's kind of jerky now, which I don't really like. So what we're going to do is find the closest thing. Yep, I know exactly what you're talking about. Alright, so let's get rid of this clamping thing. When we set the top-down view, instead of setting it to 0 or 180, we want to set it instead to closest default view. So the current angle is oh, target, I guess. Yeah, hold on, I got a call. It does open a subtle bug with float rounding. If someone rotates around thousands and thousands of times. Well, I mean, what I could do is, I mean, there's other way to fix it, but, I think we'll be alright. Okay, so the closest to the default view is gonna be, hold on. So we want something like, something like minus the diff or something like this. I think something like that'll work. Let me, try that out. Yeah, I don't think anyone's gonna rotate thousands of times around. It might be a really long game and they only rotate left or something, but, oh well, too bad. So we need to go around a few times, and then top view. Oh, that didn't actually, maybe we don't even want to change the rotation, now that I think about it. Though I don't know why that didn't work, actually. Why didn't that work? Let's see. Oh, yeah, because it was supposed to be, this plus this or something. Yeah. It's not a bug, it's a feature. I kind of do want you to be able to set up to, like, the, so you know which side you were on, right? It probably doesn't really matter, but, alright, we'll spin around a few times. Top view. No, it still didn't work. Alright, hold on. So, we're gonna mod... and then we're gonna get the difference. No, that's not right. Alright, so like, let's think about it. If we're at 90, but like plus, or, you know, several rotations around, and then, this is going to return 90, so then we'll be at 0, and for this, oh, hold on, I'm not setting the right thing. Wait, I set closest. I'm not using that. No wonder it didn't do anything. Silly me. What was this function before? Before I messed it all up? Let me just undo. Oh. Yeah, okay. Oh, you can't see. Alright, so we're gonna fix this up. Yeah, sorry about that. Okay, so I think this will work now. Yeah, it's because I have to go click a button in OBS every time I switch between Unity and Visual Studio, and sometimes I forget. Hey Saza! How's it going, Saza? That spun around even more than I thought it would. Okay, I think I know why that's wrong too. Alright, let's just not worry about this for right now. This is a... Oh no. I hope you feel better. Alright, I'm just actually gonna make a note of this. My brain's not working, so we'll worry about this later. Oh man, COVID. That's rough. Hope you feel better. Allergies have been kind of killing me today, but not too bad. Let's see. Fix camera, top view, if you've rotated multiple loops. Alright. Why fix today what you can put off until tomorrow? 6 days, oh man. Yeah, some people it lasts pretty long, is what I hear. I'm a bit of a recluse, so I've managed to avoid getting it. At least as far as I know, right? Oh, that's a shame. Alright, so we were in the middle of fixing dive, weren't we? Maybe I can dive now. Let's try it. Fine by day 6. No, sometimes it takes like 2 weeks. And if you get it really bad, it like never goes away, right? Alright, so we're climbing. Alright, so now we should be able to dive. And it should work. Alright, so that works. Oh, he's got a pretty big angle there. Alright, cool. So the dive move works. So that's good. Hopefully you're better in like a week or so. Oh no. Well, just take it easy, you know. Don't spend too long. You know, do anything super active. Alright, so we got the dive. And, but now we want to get the melee attack. Unfortunately, I don't think I'm gonna have enough time to finish that today. But, I've probably only got another 15 minutes or so. But, we'll see how I can go. One thing I do want to play with is, getting the animations to work as well. But I'm gonna have to do some reading up on that, because I don't have any idea. But yeah, I want to have him do the flight animation, the whole time, because that'll look cool. What are we doing? Oh, melee weapon. Lying in bed, wondering what the heck I took biomedical for. Yeah. Well, hopefully you've got some like cool games or something to play, or like a book to read or something. Alright, so we're gonna add a new weapon. It's gonna be called Claw. I'll add a new icon for it later. But mid-range is gonna be melee. So we're gonna put maybe we're gonna put 0 here. I think. And then this stuff doesn't actually apply at all. So, how do I want to do it, I wonder? No, I guess it should be pretty close to you. But maybe like, almost, you know, like in front of you. Restart game button. It becomes obvious. Oh yeah. Alright, we can put that on there. Quit game button. Yeah, that wasn't, I don't need that. No, but, that's actually really easy to do. I'll do it later, though. Alright, so shots per round. Maybe only like 1 melee attack per round. You've been annoying people with Zombie and Ivia. Actually, maybe we'll leave it at 2. Man, I hate that deck, honestly. It's so annoying. Like, you can't... Against it, you like can't play anything because they wipe the board, but you have to play something. Otherwise, you die. Alright, the melee attack is going to be pretty hard to get off, I think. So let's have it do like 4 damage or something. Maybe even 5. We'll have it do 5 damage. And the hit chance, I wonder if it should probably just be guaranteed, right? How do I want to represent that? Let's see, what we might do is, just add a field called melee or something, and set it to true. And, I think that'll be the easiest. Then we can have like a boolean, in our weapon. Where's the weapon at? Weapon arc. Weapon. Yeah, I could do something like that actually. But I do want to have it special cased for hit chance though, maybe. Alright, so we're gonna just add in a boolean here. Melee. And that should be all serialized automatically for me, which is pretty nice. Okay, so then, what do we need to do? We need to go to ship controller, find enemy in arc. So this has the weapon arc. Maybe the arc should have melee in it instead. Let me think about this. So, you found your weapon, found your enemy. I'm gonna have to change this too, because currently I'm just taking the first weapon. Yeah, I'm gonna have to rework quite a bit actually, because it needs to, for the dragon at least, it's gonna be automatic. You won't have to select your weapon for the turn. For other ships though, you can imagine you will have to select your weapon for the turn. So yeah, man, I'm building up a list of things I need to do here. Pick the weapon, but yeah, well, I need like weapon priorities, like default to melee, or like melee if you can, yeah, melee if possible, otherwise, shoot. Then we need to handle like a melee range, and what else do we need to do? So yeah, find enemy in arc. I think this is probably fine, but at the section where we check, so we're gonna find the closest enemy ship to attack. That's fine. Oh yeah, this part. Yeah. I'll have to like measure out the range too. But oh yeah, here's what we'll do. So we'll define a new thing that's melee range. Maybe 5's like super close though. I don't know, we'll see. I might want it to be mid-range, like 10 or so. Yeah, let's actually I don't want to make this like too hard to test, so we'll make melee range 10. So if it's a 0, then you're in melee range. Oh, I do need a min and max, don't I? Okay, actually melee should be from 0. It should be from 0 to melee range. So that'll be good. Let's name this melee range max. Alright, so now we can use basically the same function. So that's fine. And then, yeah, basically we just need to, have, like, weapon priorities or something. Oh yeah, I definitely want to do something like that. I don't think I actually have that listed. Do I? I've got animations for hits. Let's make a note about, crashing to ground when dying. Yeah, I definitely need that. Because just disappearing is super lame, isn't it? Alright, I was thinking, in the weapon list, I could maybe have like a priority field or something. There's a few different ways I can do it, and I'm thinking about how yeah, so we could try to do like shoot with weapon 0 first, and if that worked, then don't shoot with weapon 1. Actually, I guess I could do both at the same time, but that would actually be kind of fine, wouldn't it? Yeah, that might be good actually. So we could actually loop through all the weapons maybe. Oh yeah, I think that'll do good. That way we can keep shooting. So let's actually like maybe for each weapon in the weapons. Oh, but I will need this part needs to be updated because currently it's not per weapon. So let's turn this into an array, maybe. Or a list. Because I don't want to just edit the ship data. Yeah, so unfortunately I've got to go now. So we'll leave a to-do for where I'm at. And I think that's probably all we need to do there. And then we'll be doing both attacks at once. Yeah, that's probably all we need. Alright, well thanks for joining me today. We didn't quite get as much done as I was hoping, but it was a little ambitious. So yeah, I am going to do more programming on Saturday at 4 p.m. That is my plan. Because I'm probably going to be out like biking in the early afternoon. It should be really nice weather for me. Gotta get out and have fun during the summer, right? But yeah, thanks for messing around with the game, giving me some to-dos. Well, I'll fix those up on my spare time. But yeah, I'm actually gonna just shoot all at once. I mean, I might add a ship later that has weapon priorities or something. But yeah, it should be good. Alright, thanks for joining me, and I will see you next time. Bye!